Thank you for your interest in the Sage Electric Spa Treatment Table, Massage and Facial Bed by Skin Act. This elegant bed is perfect for a variety of body and facial treatments. It has a comfortable and adjustable 4-section top, as well as a lovely scissor-shaped metal base structure finished in natural wood. The height of this bed can be independently adjusted with the help of a remote control. The backrest can also be independently adjusted, as well as the leg rest, making it a breeze when performing spa treatments. A convenient breather hole is accessible by removing the cushion as shown for any face-down treatments. A convenient paper table holder is included at the bottom base of the table. As a reminder, please keep all original packaging until you've fully tested all functions of the unit. It is recommended to keep the original packaging until the duration of your warranty period. However, if you don't have space, it's fine to dispose of the packaging after you've tested all the functionalities. Thank you for your interest in the Sage Electric Spa Treatment Table, Massage and Facial Bed by Skin Act. If you would like to learn more, please click the link at the top left of the video.